with a different personality.
Le vignoble de Bordeaux, c'est 100 000 hectares plantés, 30 appellations de rouge, 23 de blanc et plus de 2500 châteaux.
The Bordeaux vineyard consists of 100,000 hectares planted with vines, 30 red, 23 white wine appellations, and more than 2,500 chateaux.
Notre première escale au fil de la Gironde sera pour Cos d'Estournel, appellation Saint-Estèphe.
Our first stop over along the banks of the Gironde is at Cos d'Estournel, a Saint-Estèphe appellation.
Le château de Cos ressemble à un palais oriental avec ses pagodes de style mi-chinois, mi-hindou. Cette folie du XIXe siècle est l'œuvre de Louis-Gaspard d'Estournel, le premier des viticulteurs bordelais à avoir exploité le marché des Indes dans les années 1830.
Château Cos d'Estournel looks like an Eastern palace. This 19th century folly is the work of Louis Gaspard d'Estournel, the first of the Bordeaux wine producers to have ventured into the Indian market in the 1830s.
La porte d'honneur de Cos provient du palais du sultan de Zanzibar dans l'océan Indien. Elle représente les épices qui font la richesse de l'île, la précieuse cannelle et les clous de girofle.
Cos d'Estournel's main entrance door comes from the palace of the Sultan of Zanzibar in the Indian Ocean. It depicts the spices that have always made the island's wealth, precious cinnamon and cloves.
C'est dans le cuvier ultramoderne que s'élaborent les grands vins de Cos, deuxième cru classé de l'appellation Saint-Estèphe, sous le regard toujours vigilant de Bruno Prats, le propriétaire du domaine.
It is in the ultra-modern Vatché that the great wines of the Cos d'Estournel, second cru classé of the Saint-Estèphe appellation, are carefully developed under the ever-vigilant eye of Bruno Prats, the owner of the estate. Tell us about your career in wine. It's basically a question of family history, as it began with my grandfather. I am the third generation to be involved in the wine business, and all my studies were guided by my interest in wine. For example, I went to the National Agronomy Institute in Paris, specialized in winemaking at Montpellier, and even did my military service in the world of wine, since I was responsible for all wine orders for the French armed forces. In 1968, I started working with my uncle who, at that time, was the owner of Chateau Margaux, and in 1970 I became the owner and director in charge of Chateau Cos d'Estournel, a very traditional career. What is your opinion of the 1994 vintage? As grape picking took place some time ago, we have had time to get an idea of the quality of the wine. I am pleased to be able to tell you that 1994 is an excellent vintage, that it is better than the previous years, much better than that of 2 years ago, but it perhaps will not reach the heights we hoped for. This is disappointing, as a vintage as great as that of 1982 seemed perfectly possible. An above-average vintage, which still almost certainly will be in the traditional style. This traditional, well-balanced style is now making a return after the vintages of the 1980s, which were full-bodied, but not very traditional.
Pas très traditionnel, je crois que nous revenons à un style d'équilibre plus traditionnel.
À Cos d'Estournel, comme dans tout le Médoc, la fin des vendanges est l'occasion d'une grande fête qu'on appelle la Gerbaude.
At Cos d'Estournel, as throughout the Médoc, the end of the grape harvest is marked by a big festive occasion known as la Gerbaude.